Hello guys, on today's video I'm gonna be showing you how I'm gonna balance my tires. This is a 2016 Ford Escape, and basically what's happening here is my parents are gonna get on a trip. They're gonna drive about 14 hours on this little car, and I rode on it a couple days ago on the back, and I could feel a little vibration. I figured I'm gonna go ahead and balance the tires. The tires are in good shape, but this also gives me a chance to check and inspect the brake pads to make sure they have good brake pads. And also for anyone who's gonna be traveling, driving for some time in their car, it's a good idea to check your filters, oil change, brake pads, tires. Make sure your car's in good shape for you to be able to make it where you're going. You do not want to be stranded on the road, far away from home. So make sure you do that if you're going to be doing a trip like this one. And so I'm going to be all balancing these tires, and I wanted just to shoot a video how I do it. And whenever I do these, I also check to make sure that the tires don't have any nails or screws or anything, any damage to the tires. The tires look in pretty good shape. They're actually pretty even, but I like to do that. So one of the things that I like to do whenever I'm balancing a tire, so right now I haven't removed any of the weights that came with this wheel. There's a weight right here. I don't know if you can see it here, but there's one. I like to check the balance, so that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to check to see how balanced the tire is. And the machine right here is going to show me, so it's spinning, and then it's showing me. So right now it says that it's out of balance. It's not a lot. It has 0.25 ounces and 50 ounces. So it's not really bad. But then the next thing that I do is I go ahead and remove the weights out of this wheel, and then I checked it again. So right now this tells me the tire wasn't really all that bad, but I'm still gonna balance it. So I'm gonna remove the weights of this one, and then we're gonna continue. We're gonna redo it all over again just to see. All right, get it out. There's no more weight, so I'm gonna check the balance again. So right now the thing's turning the tire. It's gonna show us. Okay, so right now it's showing us 50 and 50. So it's pretty much what he needs on either side of the tire. So then the next thing you do is you move the tire till right here. You need to put it on the 12 mark, 12 p.m. And it's actually top dead center of the machine. So right here, there's a mark right here on the machine. So you turn the tire right there, is showing me. If you move the tire back, you see it starts to get away from where it needs to be. But you put it top dead center. That's what they call it right here, and that's where you apply your weight. And it shows to put 50. I'm gonna go ahead and add the weight that it's a 50, and right here, I'm not sure if you can see it, but this is a 50.5. It's 50. I'm gonna add it up. Okay, I got it. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I need to add another one on the outer part of the wheel again. Let's see if you can see it. This is again 50.5, and then you basically do the same thing. Now we got the one on the inside. We're gonna do the one on the outside, and basically you just turn the wheel till it's at top dead center again. And I'm getting close. Okay, right there. I told you that you need to put it at top dead center right there. That's the other 50, and I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna put the phone over here on this left side so you can get an idea. I'll put it in. Alright. So next thing you do after you put the weights is you're gonna check the balance. So I already put the weights where it showed, and then we're gonna see if the tires actually balance. Okay, so right now this one's at 0, this at 25. I'm gonna go ahead and do it because I like the balance to be perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the 25. And you have to keep in mind, a lot of people don't add the extra 25. They say that's not a lot, but to me, if you're gonna be doing something, you need to try to do it right. This is a very lightweight weight. It seems like it's really not even worth doing because it's such a little amount of weight, but I believe that once you're going on the freeway, if there's a slight imbalance of the tire or the wheel, it can cause a vibration on the car. And I think if you're doing something, you should try to do it right. And I mean, this may not be a big deal, but to me, I like to go ahead and do it. So, all right. Alright, so we added the weights, and so right now you can see the tires at 0 and also at 0, so it's all balanced. And this is the way I do my balancing on my tires. But not only my tires, anybody that comes to me and they need a tire balance, I'll go ahead and do it. This is the only way that I know how to do it. I have another machine. Sometimes I have, like, if I have an issue with this machine, it doesn't work for some reason, I have another balancer. But I just wanted to do a video today to show you the way we do it, and stay safe out there, and stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching.